Hi everyone, Josh from Riccar. We're going to show you what's in the box when you buy the 12-foot accessory kit for the Riccar R25 series vacuum cleaners. So here's what's in the box with the 12-foot accessory kit for the Riccar R25 series. Nylon mesh bag to store it all in. Crevice tool, an upholstery tool that acts as a dusting brush as well, a natural bristle delicate surface brush, a 12-inch natural bristle bare floor brush, 2 extension wands, the extension hose. As you can see, you get a lot of tools in the accessory kit for the R25. The extension hose and all these different attachments that will fit on the machine. For easy storage, it's all in the bag. Now that we've seen what's in the box with the 12-foot extension hose kit for the R25 series, we're gonna show you how to use it. Okay, so here we have our 2 wands. We also have the floor brush and all the accessories that came with it. This hose is designed to fit exactly on the end of your hose to your vacuum cleaners. So now we've added 12 feet of extension hose to the machine. You can then put your extension wands on here, add our reach, do vaulted ceilings, clean drapes and blinds, all that fun stuff. Nice curved handle here. Put your floor brush. Actually, if we wanted to go sweep our hard floors, you could now sweep your hard floors. Use any of the accessories that come with it at the end of it, the wand or the hose, anywhere you want. Also, one other thing about this, sometimes you're in a hurry, you may not want to use your extension hose, but you may want to use your floor brush. It's a nice floor brush. So you may want to take this wand that you have and go ahead and hook it back up like it fits on the machine. And now you have a floor brush that comes standard in the machine. You could sweep your floors. So now that we've used the floor brush in either capacity, either on the end of the hose or on the end of the wand here, we know how to use that. These tools here are standard fit tools, and they would need to be added on to the end of this extension hose. So that's how they would fit, is onto this. Standard fit crevice tool, standard fit dusting brush, standard fit upholstery tool or dusting brush are all in the kit, and they would fit on the end of the extension hose. If you want to use the regular tools that came with the vacuum cleaner, those are on the machine and they fit on this size fitting for the R25 series vacuum cleaner. Lots of cleaning options. We hope you enjoy your vacuum. Happy vacuuming.